Hello everyone, I'm Garima Roy and I am here to demonstrate task 5.2c of SIT210, that is Embedded Systems and Development. In this video, I will be giving a demonstration on how I used a graphic user interface to turn three different LEDs, colored LEDs, on or off using the toggle buttons to start off the circuit. Here are the some software requirements that we are needed in this task to complete. That is VNC Viewer and Raspberry Pi OS. And here are the some hardware requirements that we are using in this task. That is Raspberry Pi, a breadboard, an LED, an resistor, and jumper wires. This is how our hardware setups looks like. This is a circuit board we have got. So we have three LEDs which are connected to the three GPIO pins, that is 23, 14 and 15, and black one for ground onto the Raspberry Pi, and we also have 220 ohm resistor connected with the positive leg of the LED to the limit of the current. So starting with the code, first I have imported the Tinkler library and its associated font, which will be referred to as font and for the rest of the program. Next, I have imported LED function from GPI library, which makes it easier to work with LED. And I have also imported the RPI GPI library in order to use cleanup method. Now since we are using GPIO numbering, I set the mode as GPIO.bcm. And here is the pin definitions, and the yellow LED is at pin 23, blue at 14, green at 15 respectively. Next are the GUI definitions. So we have initiate our win for window by calling the method tk, and next give the title as task 5.2c. Next, I have created font using the font library for giving these parameters. Here, next we have event functions. I have set the four separate functions to toggle with three LED. These functions checks if the specific LED is on or off, and if it turns it off, if it's on, else it turns on, and the other two LEDs off. Same for the other method, that is blue LED toggle and the green LED toggle. Lastly, lastly we have one more method, that is all on method for switching on all LED, and lastly quiet GUI method which will destroy the window and clean up the GPIO. At last we have created the widgets for the function. Last but not the least, this is the final outcome, and now we can move on to the implementation of the program. So here I click on run in the IDE. You can see the windows pop up with the title choose an LED. When I turn the yellow LED on, it can be seen that it turns on the circuit. And if I double click on yellow LED, the circuit will off. When I click on blue LED, the blue LED in the circuit will blink, and double clicking on blue LED, it will off. Next clicking on green LED, it will blink the green LED, and again tapping the green LED, it will off. And clicking on all LED, the all LED will blink. Thank you so much for listening.